Hey there fellow musician, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I have a special trick that Andrew Scheps uses to help his vocals cut through the mix. This technique is great if you are working on a mix that has a lot of instrumentation. So if your mix is busy, then this trick will help your vocals cut through the mix. So without any further ado, let's just get straight into it then. What you'll need is to take your vocal track and then send it to an aux, and in that aux track you'll have three plugins. You'll have the pull tag, an LA2A emulation, and then you'll have another pull tag. So let me explain the settings for you guys. The first pull tag, we are cutting out low end at 100 Hz with a wide bandwidth. We're adding some top end to brighten the vocals at 8 kHz. That will be followed by an LA2A emulation. Make sure that the LA2A emulation that you'll be using has the emphasis parameter. So with the emphasis parameter, you want to make sure that you turn it counterclockwise so that it only affects the higher frequencies and leave the lower frequencies and lower mid-range unaffected. So you'll be going for a gain reduction of around -3 dBs. And then that will be followed by another pull tag where we bring back that low end and then we attenuate the top end to make sure that the vocal sounds natural without getting too harsh or bring up the sibilants. And then let's hear how that sounds. So what I'm going to do is to engage the effect and then disengage it so that you can hear the before and after.
I'm loving what you do to me, baby. I'm in ecstasy. I'm loving what you do to me, baby. I'm in ecstasy.
So as you can hear, it helps the vocal sound much more bigger and help the vocal sound more present. So let's check this out with the music and then we'll do the before and after.
I'm loving what you do to me, baby. I'm in ecstasy. I'm loving what you do to me, baby. I'm in ecstasy.
So even though I'm exaggerating it a bit so that you guys can be able to tell the effect, obviously, you can tell that it helps the vocal cut through the mix. And that's the trick. If anything is confusing, please make sure, guys, that you check out the link in the description. It will take you to my blog post where I explain the trick and then give you even more details about the settings and all that stuff. If you are still struggling with parallel compression, make sure that you check out my previous video where I share Michael Brower's advanced parallel vocal trick, which will help your vocals have some attitude and character so that you can shape the tone of your vocal by just using compressors without touching any EQ. If you're interested in that, make sure that you check out my previous video. And that's it for today's video. I hope you found it useful. Make sure that you hit that like button and click that subscribe. See you again on the next video. Cheers.